Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about the angle grinder. I bought these attachments. I just got them out of Amazon. I've never tried them before, but they're power carving attachments for this tool, and thought I'd give them a little review. I've never used this stuff before, but I bought it with the intent of doing some power carving. Obviously the tool, I got like a kit from Amazon, had multi things I thought I wanted to try, because there's 100 different things that look cool, but they're somewhat expensive. If you buy them in a kit, you end up whatever, saving a few bucks. So I thought I'd try, I'm going to say, the cheap ones, find one that I like, and then maybe buy an expensive one of that type. Anyways, there's this thing came with the kit. There's this one that came with the kit, which is really the one that I wanted to explore a little more with. So that's the one we're going to try. It's got some pretty serious teeth on there, and it should be power carving like crazy. Mostly what I wanted for it is to carve up the bark and maybe like the knots on a log. Just trying to make some finished logs. Anyways, give it a shot. Here's another one that, let's see, try it later, I guess. There's a chainsaw one that looks pretty cool, but I noticed the teeth aren't very wide, so I'm not sure the application for that, but whatever, we'll give it a try. There's one other one in here, I'm not sure. Didn't even know it came with it. Just some kind of a, I don't know, maybe you could carve small bowl things, shapes, whatever. Anyways, we'll give them all a try. For now, I just want to see if the thing actually attaches onto my machine. I read a lot of reviews that someone gets the tool or this thing from Amazon, aka from China, and it's like, it doesn't even fit on the standard size. This is what I mostly use this tool for. With you put on, buy this little disc that was this wide as this piece of sandpaper. You can buy these in packs. This is like 24 grit, pretty coarse, and I did some stuff with this. I worked with this paper, and it actually is really awesome for sanding up. Made a couple of canoe paddles, and it worked great. There's two attachments on this tool that come with it when you buy it brand new or whatever. This configuration, these little adapters or whatever, lock nuts, whatever, are for these grinding wheels, abrasive wheel, and that's the setup you do with those guys. But with the sandpaper one, it's a different setup. You have this thing and this thing, completely different. That's how you have to work that one. Anyways, maybe it's the same for this thing. No, doesn't fit. I guess it goes on with nothing. And this thing, maybe? I don't think that's right. It's not a gun. Those guys were right. They don't freaking fit. You know? Well, that sucks. They don't fit. I don't know what I need to get that on there. I'm gonna have to dig out some more washers or something. Alright, well, that was a fail.